Hi, this is Alan E. Kaye. I'm an immigration lawyer with over 35 years' experience. We'd like to welcome you to our program, Immigration and You. Hi, welcome to Immigration and You. My name is Alan Kaye. I'm an attorney who's practiced immigration, naturalization, visa, and consular law for the last 35 years in New York. We'd like to talk a little bit more about this new program which was announced by President Obama and by Secretary of Homeland Security Janet Napolitano, which would help certain undocumented youth. On June 15, 2012, the Department of Homeland Security formally announced that it'll offer deferred action to dreamers, all these promising undocumented youth who call America their home, and to let them come out of the shadows and fully embrace the country that they know, the United States. To be eligible for this program, you have to have been between 50 and 30 years old and entered the United States before the age of 16. You have to have been present in the United States for 5 years as of June 15, 2012. You have to have maintained continuous residence. You must not have been convicted of a felony, a significant misdemeanor, or multiple minor misdemeanors. You have to be currently in school, have graduated, or have a GED, or be honorably discharged from a veteran from the armed forces. This deferred action, which will be granted to people who qualify, will be available to those in deportation proceedings, as well as those who are not in deportation proceedings who just apply affirmatively. Now, some things to keep in mind that this is going to give you deferred action. You'll get a working permit, you may be able to get a travel permit, and you'll get a certain status for 2 years. But deferred action is not an amnesty. Deferred action is not immunity. Deferred action is not permanent. Deferred action is not a pathway to a green card or citizenship. Deferred action is not legal status. Youths that qualify cannot vote or petition for family members. Under current law, people granted deferred action are eligible to apply for work authorization. While living in the United States, people have to have a way to support themselves. But this is not a change in the immigration law. If they give you deferred action, it's going to be for 2 years, and you will get permission to work. There's a probability or a possibility that will be another extension after 2 years, but a lot depends on whether President Obama wins the election. So this is a very important new step for certain young people who qualify. There's a lot of misinformation about this, and if you need additional information or guidance, contact me at the address shown at the bottom of this video. Contact me by email, by telephone. I will be happy to send you additional information, frequently asked questions. So keep an eye on this program. It will probably start around August 15th. The people will be able to file. We're still waiting for the government to give us the answers to some questions that are a little bit vague, but we'll keep in touch with me. I will be doing more programs as I get more information from the government. Thank you for listening. This is Alan Kaye. See you again at the next program, which will be coming shortly.